Are you guys looking to get rid of the subframe slop in the rear of your 93 to 07 Impreza WRX or STI? These are the Torque Solution Rear Subframe Lock Kit. What's up guys, Rick with Rally4 Direct here. In front of me, I've got the Torque Solution Subframe Lockdown Bolts. I've got the package right here. Let's go ahead and open these up so I can show you guys what these are and what they do. So I've got my handy dandy scissors here. So these simple little bolts. Okay, Subaru, thank you very much. On the GD chassis, so the 02 to 07 Impreza, well actually I guess I should say 93 to 07 Impreza WRX and STI, their rear subframe is attached using 4 bolts at the 4 corners. But they've got these really soft, squishy bushings. So under hard cornering, the whole subframe just kind of shifts around like this, which sucks. I mean, for handling and confidence and grip, all that kind of stuff, it really sucks. And it can throw your alignment out a little bit as well. But what these do, because Subaru has graced us with the ability to install bolts that lock down the rear subframe. Literally, if you've got the car up in the air, you look underneath, you're going to notice 2 holes in the center of the subframe on each side. And up in that, the chassis already has threads in it to allow for these bolts to be threaded in. Now here's what you do. Loosen up all 4 corners of the subframe. You're going to want to try to line the subframe up as good as possible to have a straight shot for these up in, because chances are your subframe's already shifted, right? And so once you get everything lined up, you're going to grease this guy up. Well, I guess you could use Loctite or something, but basically the chances are you've got some rust in there. I'd run a thread chaser up through those. Some people do, some people don't, whatever. Your mileage may vary. But you're going to slide these up in and lock down your rear subframe. Now this bypasses your factory bushings and keeps your subframe nice and secure. You're still going to want to tighten those 4 bolts on the corner, but these little guys right here, incredibly simple, very easy to install. These will make sure your subframe does not move a millimeter. They just lock it down, and the difference is amazing. I mean, it's almost a night and day, especially if you've got an old crappy car like mine. You install something like this, and it really gives that rear end a solid, good feeling that you can feel as you're driving, as you're plowing through corners, rolling on that throttle. Everything feels tight and it feels where it's supposed to be, and you're like, wow, I had no idea that subframe moved around that much, because it really does make a big difference. Very simple construction. Of course, you've got just a high quality bolt with an Allen head. I don't know what size, maybe 8mm on that one, maybe 10, I'm not sure. And then this collar, and that actually slips inside the subframe itself, and then it securely mounts over the bolt, and everything slides up in. You just torque it down and you're good to go. Very simple to install, very cool little product from Torque Solution. Of course, if you've got a 93 through 07 Impreza, WRX, STI, you can use these. I'm sure even like the Foresters and Legacies of different years, as long as you don't have the multi-link rear suspension, you're probably going to be able to use these without a problem. But very cool. Check them out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out What's in the Box. We'll see you guys next time.